Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to change WhatsApp number on iOS 17 without losing chats on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Fortunately, WhatsApp has an available function for changing the phone number associated with your current account. Before you proceed, there are a few reminders you must take note of. First, confirm that your new phone number is still active and capable of receiving verification codes. Additionally, ensure that you're using a supported number and is not among the following, namely VoIP landlines, toll-free paid premium personal and universal access numbers. Aside from those reminders, there are also two possible scenarios you must consider. First, will you be using the same phone that is registered with your previous WhatsApp number, or are you going to use it on another iPhone? If your situation matches the first condition, then follow these steps that I will discuss. Otherwise, you can skip to the next time step. Now open WhatsApp on your iPhone. Navigate to Settings. Go to Account, choose Change Number, and tap on Next to proceed. Note that after changing your phone number, all of your account information will be migrated to the new account, and your contacts will have access to your updated profile in their contact lists. Next, input your old and new phone numbers in the provided fields. Then you can toggle on Notify Contacts if you wish to alert them of the change to your WhatsApp number. You can choose to notify them all or only a select few. Keep in mind that WhatsApp will automatically notify all of your group chats about your new number regardless if you enable this toggle or not. After that, provide the 6-digit SMS code sent to your new account to complete the process. Once your phone number is verified, your WhatsApp chat history will automatically be restored along with your new number. On the other hand, if you will be using a new iPhone, you must first back up your chat history. After changing your WhatsApp number on your old device before creating a backup, go to Settings. Tap on your Apple ID and choose iCloud. Then make sure that both iCloud Drive and WhatsApp are enabled so that your backup will be synced in the cloud. Next, open WhatsApp. Go to Settings. Tap on Chats and then select Chat Backup. If Auto Backup is already enabled, that means a backup is already saved in iCloud. But if that's not the case, then click on Backup Now to save it manually. Please note that the backup may take a while before it becomes available. Afterwards, you can now restore it on your new iPhone. Before logging into your new WhatsApp number, double-check that iCloud Drive and WhatsApp toggles are enabled in the settings on your new iPhone to ensure successful restoration. Once done, open WhatsApp. Log into your new number and provide the SMS code when prompted. Next, tap on Restore Chat History, then wait as it downloads and restores your data. After that, all of your chats should now be restored. Now simply provide your account name to resume chatting on WhatsApp once again. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.